Hey, what's going on? Dave here. So we're out at the Tread Depot and really excited about being out here. As you saw the previous video, they're the ones that did the Viper cut. So awesome job on the Viper cut. So today we're going to go ahead and spotting armor up the truck, and I can't emphasize how important it is for you to start protecting your investments. When we start talking about lower control arms, your rear shocks being exposed as you're out there driving, wheeling, getting aggressive, looking at the terrain. So we've got the sides covered with the rock sliders, but now we're looking underneath. So pretty excited. Check out the video, more to come. And we've got Oscar and Shaden. They're installing low control arms, the skid plates up front. Pretty simple process. If you even go to the Cali race, they got a video on there, and it's pretty much in detail. It talks about the two screws, removing the plastic cover, and then installing them. So these guys are at it, knocking it out. So we got Oscar here from the Tread Depot, and he's installing the lower control arm skid plate. And what you think, Oscar? Pretty simple?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
So
It's certainly better than doing it on the ground. It's nice to have it up in the air.
But the biggest thing that I can't emphasize how important it is start armoring up your truck. So over the year, we started going out wheeling and getting a little bit more confident, which means we're taking on some more challenges. But then in the long run, you definitely want to stop and take time to protect your investment. So this is definitely one of the first steps that we did today, which is the lower control arm skid plates, and we actually did the rear ones. They do have the kits online, but the best thing about it is simple install right here. 2 bolts, put it on here, and it looks good. And let's go to the back side. So this is the back side of it. This is the kit that comes. It's the rear mount shock protectors, which it does have the 2 screws if you want to go up higher. Works great for the Bilsteins and the other aftermarket shocks that you see out there. But this is pretty cool. Without this, you can see this is very open. There's nothing protected. You put it in reverse, you hit a rock, and it could definitely do some damage. So once again, I can't emphasize how important it is to protect your investment. And we're starting to body armor this truck up. Let's go.